Today, Ventura High School's Environmental Club is installing an ocean-friendly garden here at the corner of Main and Catalina. And this spot is really important because it's visible to the community.
We're here planting a garden, which we have stripped of the previous plants to reinstate with new native and drought-tolerant plants.
The plants that we're using are 90% California natives, very low water, and they're going to have a beautiful garden that's going to replace what was just kind of a couple of weird polygons of turf.
Ocean-friendly gardens, it's a really great way to make an environmental impact because lawns use a ton of water, first of all, and rather than having rainwater run off and cause pollution downstream into our oceans, waterways, etc., it will actually allow runoff to soak into the ground, basically recharge our water tables and our water systems that we get our drinking water from.
I think it's great. I mean, when I was in high school, we did projects, but not like this. So I'm really excited to see them out here working really hard. Surfrider and Ocean Friendly Gardens really wants to encourage people to change their landscapes into this kind of landscape, but we don't have a lot of examples. So it's really great to be able to have a site like this, which is so visible, so people can see what's going on. We've had a lot of people stopping by asking, what we're doing or giving us a thumbs up. So they're going to be able to see this garden grow in and see what it looks like in a year or 2 years. And that'll give them an example of what they can do in their own home gardens.
When people go home today, I hope that what they take from this event is the feeling of community and unity around something that will better our future.
I like seeing them out of the classroom, see them start digging up grass, and hopefully it gets people to start thinking, well, why do I have a lawn? I weed it, I put pesticides on it, I fertilize it, I mow it all the time, I spend the majority of my water on this lawn. Meanwhile, there's all these native plants that you could plant that do support biodiversity, saving a bunch of our water too.
This project will inspire our community by seeing the big difference that a group of really young people can make. Ventura Water is just here to help support this program and encourage our schools and our residents to help conserve water through water-wise landscapes.